how to buy Kenny MCPP token. So this token came under the symbol of PEPE. Now before we start, this is not for us advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 22,000% in less than 4 hours. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, now open your front wallet. For that, as you can see, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address into search bar. As you can see, this is how you can click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. Now to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider, select the Jupiter for example, click on apply, now go back. Now click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy PEPE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.